All right. This one, as you can probably tell from the title, is the Buffalo Wing soda. Another thing we can add to the list of things that should never be carbonated is buffalo wings. I don't understand. It's why? So Lester's Fixins is the name that I'm reading here of the people that made us. Made in USA. Sold, bought it, fucking cheers. Why is this is the worst bottle opener I've ever received. I don't know, maybe I'm just using it wrong. Anyways, I'm doing this video right after I got home from work so I can take a shower after I'm done drinking this because I know I'm going to feel disgusting just inside and out because you are what you eat, right? So you drink something disgusting, you're going to feel like crap. This makes sense? Yeah? I hate it. That's weird. Why is that good? Well, there's the heat a little bit, like you can taste. It tastes like Buffalo Wild Wings. That's why it's not that hot. It's not bad. I thought it would be worse than, it is. It's like the fear that you have before doing something is worse than actually doing it. It's like that it's always the first step. It's the hardest to do, right? Like that kind of thing. I don't know why it's such a normal thing to be afraid of trying new foods. That's I don't know. You never know what you like until you try it, right? Then again, rule number 1 hasn't really kicked in either from the first video. I'm trying not to burp because I'm pretty sure it's going to have the same effect of It's not that bad. That is weird. It tastes more like it tastes like orange chicken, but spicy. If you take orange chicken and General Tso, whatever you want to say. English, do you speak it? Apparently not. Yeah. Take General Tso, whatever, and orange chicken and kind of. It's not that bad. It's not spicy stuff. The funny thing is, I was at the grocery store and I got buffalo wings for dinner today. Whatever. Go big or go home. Well, I'm home already, though. So just, disregard that. The ranch one was a lot worse. Definitely. Also, excuse me. Burping is quite disgusting, so you must excuse yourself after the act. Also, this freaking thing is bothering me. I must look appropriate for drinking a disgusting soda. Okay, cool. All right, that big swig, I can taste the buffalo part. What does buffalo actually taste like? I don't know. I don't think we have any buffalo for sale in Michigan. Yeah. Oh, look at all the gray hairs. It's great. It's awesome. I mean, eventually it'll happen. It's fine. $0.10 refund. Oh, Rocket Fizz. RocketFizz.com. You too can get a 6-pack of stuff that'll probably make you gag. The drink. Whatever. Not bad. A lot better than the ranch.